Good morning from Glasgow in Scotland. It's an absolutely foul day, so I've come through here this morning from Edinburgh to jump on a train up to Mallaig. This is a 5-hour journey each way, and it's one of the most scenic journeys in the world apparently, but with this weather I'm not even sure I'll see much out the window. But worth a try, come and join me, let's go. You need to be quite careful to get on the correct carriage. Not many to choose from, but get it wrong and you could be going somewhere completely different. I had loads of seats to choose from today, so could hop about and take some video. All seats have bags of legroom and a nice solid table. Only a socket though, no USB, which is a shame because who carries a plug these days? Really good free fast Wi-Fi all the way though, which was a bonus. As we head out of Glasgow, time for a quick look at the route. It's not too complicated but does involve a train split at Rannoch. This is also where, in my opinion, the best of the scenery starts. If you're in the correct carriage you don't need to do anything here. There might even be an opportunity to head out onto the platform to stretch the legs. The next major stop will be Fort William. You're best on the left hand side for this trip, and here the train changes direction, so be ready to hop over to the left again, especially to catch a nice view of the Harry Potter Bridge.
Passengers for station step open, please change at this station. Thank you.
We're now headed up through Rannoch Moor, and the scenery is absolutely spectacular.
Now what? We'll go for a walk. There!
gentlemen, we are now approaching Mallaig, where this train will terminate. On behalf of Scotrail, I'd like to thank you for travelling with us today, and we hope you had a pleasant journey. The return services from Mallaig this afternoon are at 16:05 for all stations to Glasgow Queen Street, and 18:15 for all stations to Fort William. The next and final stop is Mallaig.
Welcome to Mallaig, the end of the line, quite literally. Oh boy, what a day that's been in terms of weather. But still, if you're watching this video, then I guess I've been able to cobble together some kind of content, so thanks for watching. I'm sure it's not been the best. But here we are in Mallaig, and I've got about an hour and a half before the train back, and it's another 5 hours down to Glasgow and then driving home to Edinburgh. A long day, but totally worth it. To sum up, I really enjoyed this trip. An excellent journey in nice weather, but still pretty good when it's like today. The Scottish Highlands have a habit of always looking great. It's not a fast train, over 5 hours to go 164 miles or 264 kilometres, but I like it this way. Of course, I missed seeing a lot of mountain scenery, but the colours of the bleak barren landscape really made up for it. So if you have a free day and want to see a bit of the real Scotland, head for the West Highland Line. You won't regret it. Oh no, the weather's taking a turn for the worse. Thanks again so much for watching. I've got a lot planned this year, so please hit that subscribe button. See you next time.